In this video, I'm going to show a quick and easy way to take the sensing cam and trigger a fault in the PLC and then take a recording. So this is the SEC110. What's good about it, it's got standard industrial connectors. So M12 4-pin A-coded for power and triggers, and then an M12 4-pin decoded for Ethernet. Just two different variants of this. There's a 110 that does snapshot streaming and recording, and the other one does just snapshots and streaming. The one that I have connected is the 110. So the setting of the camera would be, if I go ahead and set my time, and then I'll just set the IP address of the device, which is here, but that just lets me tap into it for streaming, or if I want to pull the event recordings like I have here. So I would take it and I'm going to do event recording. I would just turn on this. I'm going to do 5 seconds before and after. And then all I have to do is set this trigger for pin 2. I can invert the signal if I want, but that's all I've got to do. And so what I've got is a SIG350, and I've got the camera plugged into port 1 of the SIG350. And you can see my configuration here. I've got pin 2 set as digital out. That way, whenever I send it a signal, it'll automatically send a 24-volt signal to pin 2. And then I've got the MPB10. I'm going to plug it into port 1 of my SIG300, and I've got it on IO-Link. So I'll be pulling the IO-Link data. And this is the MPB10 that I have set up. So you see if I hit it on the table, bit 5, 6, and 7 go high. So I'm going to pull a shock event from it. So anytime I hit this, it'll send an alarm to the PLC. And then the PLC will trigger the SEC110. So pretty easy setup there. Now I just need to understand where, what bits I need to trigger. So for that, I can come to my PLC program, and you can see now that I've got the IO-Link data from the MPB10 coming in, right? So now if I hit this on the table, we'll see that go high here. So that's my shock. So that's going to be a bit 5, 6, and 7, just like what we just saw. So that's the shock. So that's what I want to pull is 22,012. So I'll just take snipping tool, just so that I remember exactly which bit it is. So 22,012.13 is what I'll be after. So now I can come here, come all the way to the down of my program. So that'll be D 22,022.12.13. Now if I hit that, we should see that signal go high once I have it in the program. 2012.13. Good. Now I just need to know what my trigger is going to be for the SIG350. So since that one is set for a digital output at 5,000, I've already got that bit high, so this would be pin 1. So 13,000. See here. Snipping tool. Now I'll come back here again. And I've already got the enable flag, so this is the enable for pin 2. So now I just need to turn on the 13,015.01.01. So that should trigger my camera. We'll just verify that we have the correct one, 13,501.01. Now I hit Control-Shift-E. Now when I hit this on the table, it's triggered the camera, and I should get a recording. So we'll come back here, look at event recordings. We see that one just came up. So just to show that it does work, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trigger. And now we should see a new recording pop up. It's just set for 5 seconds before and after. And that's how you would take the MB10 to a PLC or any kind of alarm for, say, send it to a master and then trigger it over a different master.